Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. In my last video, I discussed how student focus can drift at this time of the school year. For this video, let's talk about how educator focus can drift. There are many responsibilities for educators, and with the end of the school year so close, it is tempting to fall into the trap of educatoritis. You heard me correctly, educatoritis, a word I made up based off of senioritis, lack of focus that affects seniors in high school and college when they are so close to graduating. Educatoritis is a little different. We are not graduating ourselves, but our students will soon be leaving our classrooms. Every year, we try to make the end of the school year special for our students, but it can feel daunting when summer vacation is so close. I know after attending graduation events for multiple years when I taught high school that I became weary of these events because they followed the same routine over and over. For your students, it is the first time they are leaving your class permanently. It can be hard to keep that in mind if your end of the year routines are the same. So, what can you do? Well, try a different end of the year activity for your students that you may not have done in the past. It doesn't have to be a big activity, but it should be different so that it is engaging for you and your students. Students could write a list of their top 5 memories from this year, and it could be collected in one document. Students could create their own scrapbook of the year. There are lots of options to try to reinvigorate your own mindset as the school year comes to a close. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.